Hello and welcome to Actionable Marketer. My name is Cree, and on this channel I share free weekly marketing tips for business owners, entrepreneurs, solopreneurs, side hustlers, or anybody else looking to learn a little bit more about marketing. And this week my focus is going to be on competition. So lots of times when I work with a new client, the first thing they're concerned about is their competition. And so before I go into kind of how I handle or view competition, I'm going to share one of my favorite analogies, and it has to do with pie. And have you ever been anywhere and there's an entire pie? And have you ever eaten that whole pie? Some of you probably have, and you didn't feel so well afterwards. But if you go to a party and there's a huge pie, there should be enough for anyone. You as a business owner, there's so much business and opportunity out there that all you're looking for is a little slice of pie. So when you have a little slice of pie at that party, you feel good, you feel great, everybody gets the pie, everybody's happy, and that's kind of how I view competition. So whatever it is that you're doing, you want to have competition, because if your competitors are doing well, chances are you're going to do well. And having competition out there, when it comes to marketing especially, there's a lot of testing and trial and error that goes into marketing. What's great about having competition is that you're going to be doing your own testing with whatever your marketing initiatives are, but you also have an opportunity to see what your competitors are doing. And now I am not condoning going out and just ripping off your competition and copying them word for word or exactly, but you should be keeping an eye on what they're doing, seeing what's working for them, what's not working for them. Maybe you can learn from some of their mistakes and not, spend money or go down the road of investing in something that might not work for you. So competition is really, really good. View this as a positive. You have somebody else to look for and look out for. And, as far as competition goes, you can be in the same space and you can create an entirely different niche as well when you're looking at your competition. Last week I talked about toe jams and a shoe store. So an example of this is if your competition is a shoe store, they sell adult shoes, and you want to open a shoe store in the same area of town or on the internet, then maybe you just do kids' shoes. So you're still both in the shoe industry, you're niching down, you're doing something completely different. However, you still have the benefit of looking at your competition, seeing what they're doing, and incorporating that into your overall mission. When everybody wins, you win. So that's my feeling about competition. And also it should be a big part of your marketing strategy, understanding what your competitors are doing so that you can be smarter about your marketing plan. So that's this week's video. If you like what you saw, hit the thumbs up down below and subscribe. I also have a weekly newsletter that I send out, so if you'd like to receive that, there's a link down in the description. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I'll see you again in next week's video.